I mean, really. The biggest cryptocurrency platforms are closing down all over the United States. It looks like you will no longer be able to buy Ripple XRP coin or any other cryptocurrency from Coinbase or other big cryptocurrency markets. Should we start to freak out? Should we move our crypto capital right away to a different place before it's too late? You can find all the answers in this movie. Nota bene. The story starts in June of this year, when the US government brought a case against one of the most well-known sites for trading cryptocurrencies. The US Securities and Exchange Commission sued Coinbase on June 6. Based on trading volume, Coinbase is the second biggest cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase is being accused by the SEC of running its cryptocurrency trading platform without being registered as a national stock exchange and broker. This information came out in a press statement on June 6. In addition, the SEC says that at least 13 of the cryptocurrencies that Coinbase sells are crypto asset instruments, like it says in the written complaint. When this news came out, there was a lot of worry in the XRP community. Although Coinbase is the biggest exchange in the world, it is also the best exchange in the United States. This is very important because XRP is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the US. It's even more popular than Ethereum. First, let's be clear about what a protection is. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, the word security refers to a certain type of cryptocurrency asset. You can think of it as a digital investment or ticket that you buy with the hope of making money later on. Securities can be used to show an interest in money, a stake in a business, or a share of the company's income. For example, if you buy a coin with the hope of getting money back or other benefits from other people's work, it could be called a security if it's something like a company or tool. For an easier explanation, securities in the crypto world let people invest in a project or platform and might get rewards if that project or platform succeeds. It's important to know that rules like those set up by the Us.Thankx Commission may apply to cryptocurrencies that are seen as stocks. This means that rules and standards could be put in place to protect investors. But there are a lot of unknowns in the crypto world because the US government hasn't said for sure what a security is and what it's not. For example, to figure out if XRP or any other cryptocurrency is a security, you have to look at things like how people spend money with the goal of making money, how success depends on a core group, and whether investors expect to make money from other people. Efforts, if the worth depends on the work of a small group, how it's sold as an investment, and the balance between risky investment and usefulness. Different laws have different categories, so it's best to get specific help from lawyers, taking into account regulations and interpretations in your area. Anyway, Coinbase co-founder and CEO Brian Armstrong said in a tweet after the SEC statement regarding the SEC complaint against us today, "We're proud to be able to speak for the business in court to finally get clear rules on crypto. Don't forget that the SEC looked at our business and gave us permission to go public in 2021. There's no way to get in and sign up. We tried many times, but we don't list stocks. The vast majority of things we look at are turned down. The SEC and CFTC have said different things, and they can't even agree on what a product and a security are. This is why the U.S. Congress is proposing new laws to fix the problem, and other countries are moving to support this technology with clear rules. The SEC has not put out a clear set of rules. Instead, they have a regulation by enforcement policy that hurts America. So, if we have to go to court to get answers, so be it." Also, in case it wasn't clear, the Coinbase suit isn't like any other suit out there. The only thing that our lawsuit is about is what a security is and what it is not. We are sure of our facts and the law. We'll finish the job. For now, let's all keep going forwards in the building business. In the end, America will get this right. The world we live in is pretty cool. Many people in the business think the SEC is doing exactly what it says it will do because of its harsh language and chair, Gary Gensler. We need to stop crypto in the US. Chinarad, co-founder and chief experience officer of Solitas Labs, a business that helps crypto exchanges and institutions stop market manipulation, said this. "Is it really possible, though? How do you feel? Leave a comment below. Anyway, let's get back to what this video is really about. So finally, there were some changes to the case. A well-known Bitcoin exchange called Coinbase in the US. Securities and Exchange Commission have asked Judge Fila to give both sides the same amount of time for their important court case on January 17, 2024. In a letter sent together on November 16, 2023, Coinbase and the SEC stressed how important it was to talk about a legal move soon. They wanted to split the 4 hours set aside for the argument evenly, which showed that they both understood how important their roles were in the meeting. The main point of disagreement is the SEC's claim that some of Coinbase's acts may be against securities laws. William Sevitt, a famous U.S. lawyer who works for Coinbase, says that the SEC is relying on old rules that don't work with how complicated the cryptocurrency market is now. Additionally, Coinbase questions the SEC's power over the crypto industry, saying that it gets in the way of Congress's work to make clear rules for cryptocurrencies. This legal battle between Coinbase and the SEC goes beyond one state. It's part of a bigger conversation about how to control the world of cryptocurrencies, which is changing very quickly. The case's result could set important rules for how crypto exchanges work in the US, and have an impact on how crypto is regulated in the future. At the meeting on January 17, Coinbase is likely to strongly disagree with the SEC's claims, trying to show that neither the cryptocurrencies it trades nor the crypto staking services it offers should be thought of as assets. This argument is important to Coinbase's case against the SEC's power in this area. People think that the hearing on January 17 will be a turning point in the crypto business, which could lead to changes in how regulations work. As both sides get ready for a heated argument, the crypto community is closely watching what's going on, knowing that the choice could have an effect on buyers, exchanges, and the direction of digital assets in the US in the future. What do you think? Are you sure that Coinbase will continue to be the best cryptocurrency company in the US? Or do you think it might shut down, which could hurt XRP and other cryptocurrencies? Leave your thoughts in the box below. I can't wait to hear your point of view. It's important to be aware that this situation could make things hard or even cause major cryptocurrency exchanges that trade famous coins like XRP to shut down. One safety step that some people might think about is moving their cryptocurrency holdings to a safer place.